All right, I like this problem, so we're going to talk about it. So we're going to look at the sum, n goes from 1 to infinity, sine 1 over n. Okay, now, a couple of things. Limit as n goes to infinity, sine 1 over n, that actually does equal 0, right? Because as n goes to infinity, 1 over n goes to 0, sine of 0 goes to 0. Okay, but do we know, does this converge? So that's really the question. We're not asking to find it. Okay, so let's do some analysis. Okay, let's take a look at one other limit we know. We know from Calc 1, okay, that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x divided by x equals 1. Okay. So we're going to compare this. We're going to do a limit comparison. So we're going to do the limit comparison with the sum, n goes from 1 to infinity, 1 over n. Okay. So since, we'll change the color here. Limit n goes to infinity, 1 over n, sine 1 over n, that equals 1. Okay, so that means that the convergence of this tracks with the convergence of this. So the sum n goes from 1 to infinity, sine 1 over n is divergent. Okay, here's something to think about. Okay, what about the sum n goes from 1 to infinity, sine 1 over n to the p? I want you all to think about that. Okay? All right. See you all in the next set of videos. I'm actually going to, y'all don't care, but I'm going to go ahead and go right through and do 8.4 next.